Good morning, children. Today we are going to do exercise of the poem Watering Rhymes. We had done this poem, right? Now we are going to do the exercise of this poem. Reading is fun. What is the first question? What is the best time to water the plants? What is the best time to water the plants? So what is the answer? The best time is to water early in the morning. What is the best time? We should always give water to the plants in early morning, in the morning. Second, when should we not water the plants? We should not water the plants when it is at the noon time, when the sun is high. We should never water the plants at noonday when the sun is high. And the third one, which part of the plant should be watered? Which part? When you give water to the plants, which is the important part which you will water first? So it is the roots. We should always water at the roots. Next exercise, word building. Place letters in their right order to form the name of flowers. See children, over here the flowers are given, right? And over here mixed jumble words are given. Now we have to find out the flower name from these jumbled words only. You don't have to memorize. You don't have to say the words orally, write the name of the flowers orally. No. Here already name is given, but it is in jumbled up, not in a right position. We have to write correct name of the flower. So shall we start? Okay. What is the first one? S is there and the ending letter A is there. Now we have to find from here which name of the flower is this. What is the name of the flower? So we'll write S W E is T, sweet, and then we'll write P E A. So it becomes sweet pea. What is the flower name? Sweet pea. Now the next is what? M and D. What the word becomes? This is a very common flower. You must be knowing it. So again we will write S A R I G O L D. So what it becomes? Marigold. Yes. Next is J. Starts from J. So what flower name it becomes? J A S M I N E. Jasmine. What is the name of the flower? Over here it has become jasmine. Next is what? L O T U E T U S. Lotus. L O T U S. Lotus. Next is M O G R A. Mogra. What it became? Mogra. Then D A H L I A. It is dahlia. What it is? It is dahlia. Then the next P H L O X. It is already given. The name of the flower is phlox. Next, pansy. So P A N S Y, pansy. Then last one is what? Hibiscus. So H I B I S C U S. The name becomes hibiscus. Once again we will read. First one is what? Sweet pie. We will write in capital now. S W E E T P E A. The word became sweet pie. Then marigold. So M A R I G O L D, marigold. Then jasmine, so J A S M I N E, jasmine. Lotus, L O T U S, lotus. Then M O G R A, mogra. Then it is dahlia, so D A H L I A, it is dahlia. Then phlox, so P H L O X, it becomes phlox. Fancy, P A N S Y, fancy. And the last one is hibiscus, H I B I S C U S, so it is become hibiscus. Now we'll go to the next page. Oh wow, it is a crossword puzzle, fun time. What it is? It is fun time. You have visited your school garden and seen different kinds of plants, shrubs and trees. This grind has the names of different parts of a tree. Look for these words. See, in blue it is given: bud, pod, leaf, stem, roots, thorns, branches and flowers. These names we have to find in this grind. In this puzzle we have to find out. So first we'll start those who are given in blue. See, in black it is a question, and blue this we have to find. We have to find bird, branches, thorns, roots, stems, leaf, pod, flower. All this we have to find in this puzzle. So we'll start first with bird. Over here, see, you can see B-U-D, bird. So B-U-D, bird. Then what is the next? It is stem. S-T-E-M, stem. What it becomes? S-T-E-M, stem. Then the next is thorns. So thorn is what? T-H-O-R-N-S, thorns. T-H-O-R-N-S, thorns. Then we'll go to branches. So B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches. It is branches. Then roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Then what is the next is what? Pod, P-O-D, pod, P-O-D, pod. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Yes. So we have got all the names of the parts of the tree over here. Different part of the trees we have got. See, it is given and we have find it out in this puzzle. All different parts of the tree. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Let's talk. Do you have a garden at home? Now, do you have a garden? If you have, what you will write? You will write yes, I have. What will you write? Yes, I have a garden at my home. I have a garden at my home. If you don't have, you will write no. And if you have, you will write yes. Okay, now next question. Name some flowers which grow in your garden or near your house. Name the flowers. Flowers name, so you must be knowing it. You must have read in EVS also. So we have to name the few flowers which you know, which you have seen, which it grows in your garden or near your house. So it is rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Then what it is? Marigold, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Then it is jasmine, and then it is mogra also, or you can say it is dahlia, D-H-A-L-I-A, dahlia. It is what? D-H-A-L-I-A, dahlia. Now give another word for the thirsty feet. This one, another name for the thirsty feet. So what will you give? Roots. R-O-O-T-S, roots. This exercise, children, you have to write in your notebook. This exercise will write in your notebook. You are going to write in the notebook. Okay. Now we'll go to the next page. What happens when we water the plants in the morning? Choose any one answer. It is choose the correct. They will grow well or they will dry up. What is the correct answer? They will grow well. A1. From where do flowers get water? From the bottom, that is the root, or from the top leaves? So what is the correct answer? From the bottom, that is from the roots. So dear children, this exercise, let's talk 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 you will write in your English notebook. Now we'll go to the another exercise. Let's write. Write the rhyming words for the words given below. One has been done for you. We have to write the rhyming words. So morning ka is what? Evening. Then car, so you will select star, S-T-A-R, star. Right? This also exercise you will write in your notebook. You will write in the notebook. Then high, so you will write lie, L-I-E, lie. Then you will write boots, so it is roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Heat, F-E-E-T, feet. Where, so it will be care, C-A-R-E, care. So what are the rhyming words? Over here, morning, evening, car, star, high, lie, boots, roots, heat, fit, where, care. Now next, words like morning, evening, watering and in the ing. Write 6 more words to which ing can be added at the end to form a new word. Now you can see over here, morning जो है उसका ing add हुआ. Then it is evening, so ing is added. Watering, ing is added. So we have to write 6 more words of our own which ends with ing. I am writing these words. If you know any of your own children, you can write yours also. Right? So what you will write? It is adding, A-double-D-I-N-G, adding. Then singing, S-I-N-G-I-N-G, singing. Then writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing. Laughing, L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G, laughing. Sitting, S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. Looking, L-O-O-K-I-N-G, looking. So these are the words which I found of ing. You can write of your own also. Okay. Now we'll go to the another exercise. Look for the words in the poem which sound like the words given below. We have to find out the words in the poem which sounds like the words given below. So we'll write the first one. A-R-E-R. So same it will be H-O-U-R, our. There, T-H-E-I-R, there. Then floor, so it will be flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Where, so it will be W-E-A-R, where. Sun, so it will be S-U-N, sun. Through, so it will be through. Through, so through only, T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Now these words are what? Pronunciation becomes same, but the spellings are different, but we pronounce it becomes same. Just that, like that, R, that is R. Then there, so there. Floor, the flower. Where. Sun, through. Now we'll go to the next exercise. In the sentences below, the capital letters, commas, full stops and question marks are missing. put this in the correct place. Here what we have to do, here it is a capital sentence. We have to put it in we have to check it out where capital is and punctuation, where marks will be needed, where capital letters, commas, full stop, everything, where it is missing question mark, there we have to complete the sentence in a complete form. Now first one, A. On Monday I will go to school. So O is, we'll write capital because starting of the sentence it is Monday, it is a name, so we'll write capital M. Then what is the next? I will go to school. So after Monday we'll put a comma, again we'll write capital and then write the same in small letters. I will go to school. So over here O, M, I is capital over here. Now B1, Rahim, Ravi and Raju are going to see the circus. Oh, so Rahim ka R we will write capital, right? Then comma, then we'll write Ravi again, and then we'll write and Raju. And Raju ka R capital, and others are we'll write in small only and put a full stop in the last. Star, where are you looking? Sita, where are you looking? So Sita ka S we will write capital, S-I-T-A, Sita. And where are you looking? So it is a question, so we'll put a question mark. Over here full stop will come. In C it is a question mark. It is a question mark. Now D will do. The tailor went to the market. The tailor went to the market, Mr. Singh. So over here the is capital starting of the sentence. So the tailor went to the market. After market you put a comma and then you will write M, Mr. Singh ka M capital and S also capital, that is Mr. Singh. So the tailor went to the market, Mr. Singh. So the ka T capital. After market you will put a comma and then Mr. ka M capital and Singh ka S capital. Now we'll go to the next page. Every Sunday I go for a walk, have breakfast and read story books, listen to music and watch television. Now over here you can see every Sunday E capital, we'll write E over here capital. Then Sunday ka S capital we will write. Then I go for a walk. So I also will write capital. After walk we'll put a comma. Then have breakfast again comma. Read story books again comma. Listen to music and watch television full stop. So did you follow? Every Sunday E capital, Sunday S capital, I also capital, and after walk a comma is there. Have breakfast comma, read story books comma, listen to music and watch television, and then full stop. Lakshmi, why are you crying? So over here Lakshmi ka L will do capital and it is a question, so we'll put a question mark. Why are you crying? What is the color of the sky? So again W, what ka W will write capital, it is a question, so we'll put a question mark. Oranges, mangoes, bananas and papayas are fruits. So oranges ka O capital, mango. After oranges we'll put a comma, then mango comma, bananas and papayas are fruits, we'll put a full stop. So children, did you follow how we did this exercise? In this sentence we added capital letters, commas, full stop and question marks were missing. So we did the correction and put them in correct space. Team time. Write a story about a plant that is in danger. Write about how you might to help to save it. Be sure the story has a beginning, a middle and end. Now this story you have to write it by yourself. Try to write it out. How will you protect a plant who is in danger? Write a short story. This also you have to write in the notebook. This exercise in the notebook you are going to write. Now we are going to do prepare a speech. Over here, prepare a speech giving some reason why it is important to protect flowers and plants. यहाँ पे क्या कहा गया है कि आपको स्पीच एक प्रिपेयर करनी है और आपको उसका कारण बताना है कि इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है फ्लावर्स और प्लांट्स को प्रोटेक्ट करना. इंक्लूड वेज दैट यू कुड हेल्प प्रोटेक्ट एंडेंजर्ड plants in your school. This also will be given to you. You have to write this also in your notebook. So both the things you have to complete in your notebook. Understood, children? Even this punctuation is there, no? That also you will write in the notebook. All this exercise will write in the notebook. Let's write also in the notebook. Then let's talk also in the notebook. Let's talk in the notebook. Let's write full exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Team time also in the notebook and this also in the notebook. Others exercise you will write in the textbook itself only you will complete this in the textbook. This also in the textbooks. So dear children, I hope you understood the exercise very well. Complete it with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.